Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little get lit, get ready with me. Got a little Captain and Diet Coke here to keep me pumping, and we're gonna try out some new stuff today. Some Morphe, did a little Ulta haul. So stay tuned, keep watching for the video. So guys, I'm about ready to get ready. I'm gonna start off with some Gulan Gold primer. Got my daughter here, she's eating a burrito, one pump. I'm gonna do a little Smashbox on my forehead, and then I'm gonna do a little Tarte. This is a Clean Slate Timeless Soothing Primer. Love this. It feels like soft fluff. It does a great job minimizing the pores. So I'm just gonna rub that in. Great blurring effect. And then I'm gonna try this Smashbox on my forehead and those old lady wrinkles. Use the All Hours foundation. I'm using the color BD20. I love at Sephora. They have this camera thing they can test your face with and see what color foundation you are in every brand. It's amazing. And it also tells you if you need to mix two shades to get the right color. It's perfection. All right, so I'm just gonna do a couple pumps in the back of my hand. I'm gonna use this blunt end to just dab some on my face. Okay, so the only thing I'm not liking, it's hard to tell, it is picking up on my dry spot right there on my nose. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, sorry, we had to run a little errand into my room. So I have this, I think it's Josie Maran, and this face oil is supposed to be amazing. I took the foundation off my nose because it was so dry. I didn't realize how dry my face was today. And I'm gonna add a little dot of this oil to my nose, and then I'm going to also add some foundation in a minute. Ooh, back to there. Just gonna rub that in. I'll help add some moisture and rehydrate that skin quickly while we're here today, so it looks a little shiny. Back in business. So just a teeny tiny squirt of foundation to Are you gonna make it, girl?
I will be doing something slightly different than my mother.
Much better. On that whole YouTubers made me buy it, I'm gonna go in with some Patrice concealer. Taki loves this. It's drugstore. It's very inexpensive. I'm using the color, I don't know, it's the lightest color. I think it's 05 Light Natural. I like to really, really brighten and conceal.
We're bougie enough.
Without under eyes. And since I don't have a beauty blender handy, I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
I just put on the, how do you say this? Whatever.
Gulan.
Yeah, that.
Alright, and then I'm just going to go in real quick with some Lumiere powder. Where's that? I want that small under eye brush, quickly. And I'm going to set the makeup wherever I put the concealer. This Lumiere powder is bomb.com. Alright, so I have this tiny little contour brush. It is from Sephora. It's a 53.5 mini, whatever the heck that means. I'm going to contour myself to filth today.
I'm currently applying the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation in the shade Bisque.
Alright, so I'm going to put that in, buff that up. I don't do such a harsh line. I like to go in and kind of build it up. Gives me a little bit of contour. I also like to take a tiny detail brush. I'm going to use this Morphe M408. You can use my code at the checkout, all caps, Haley MUA. It's like, just kidding. Don't have a code. And then I like to just contour below my lip.
Why?
Because the illusion of a bigger lip. See, it just enhances that lip. I gotta go back over here.
I'm currently just working it.
I'm
currently just working this foundation in. And
Girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to contour my nose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with this Lumiere, the powder. This powder is so expensive, but it puts such an airbrush finish on your face.
wait, I'm gonna have to try that. It's to die for.
Good, okay. You need some more drinky drink. So I use the Nat paint pot and soft liquor to prime my eyelids. It is the best. I actually don't get tremendously dark circles under my eye, but I get really dark eyelids. That's a sign for me. I don't know how many other people get that, but for whatever reason.
Old ladies?
No, because a lot of older women get dark under eyes, and I get dark eyelids. It's so weird.
Oh, that's a little strange.
It is strange. Alright, so I'm so excited. Oh, girl. Okay, so we're going to use the new Morphe 35F palette. I'm very excited. I'm dying to get my hands on this palette. Finally had it back in stock at Ulta. Yeah, I like to see stuff and touch it and feel it in person, so that's that. The other thing I love about these palettes, so affordable. Look at all these colors. Fantastic.
And like they actually are like decent, so.
Yeah, they do work wonders. I'm going to go ahead and coat my eyes. Oh boy. With this color down here. I have no idea what shade it is, but it's this one. It's a nice matte. It's like an apricot color. So what I'm doing now is this puts down a nice base layer so that any other color I put on top will blend out nicely over it.
So, we're both pretty zoinked.
Yeah, not too much talking going on. We spent our day downtown Detroit at the DIA. Got a little culture in us today. It's pretty wonderful. Gosh, I can't decide what color to use.
We all do.
Okay, so I am going to cut the crease with this beautiful shade right here. Don't even know what it's called. So I'm gonna go back in and soften up this line with my original brush. Oh, I'm just continuing to blend out this harsh crease here with that light caramel color right on this line.
I don't know. I'll be going with this brush that came in the set, and I don't know. This is the lip color that I think I'm going to be wearing, so I'm going to be going in with the shade, I think, Jazz.
Okay, and to smoke out the outer edge, I'm going to use this dark cranberry color here. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I am going to use this flat brush, and I'm going to use, I think, this lighter champagne color. Oh yeah, gorge.
Ooh. Now I will be going in with the shade Roxanne.
Using this really nice flat brush so I can get right close to the lash line. All right, back in. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the darker cranberry, and then I'm going to go to the brown.
Sir JD, if you're watching this, you've made it. Send us some questions.
Oh, geez. And now I'm going to use that same flat brush with that dark brown that I did on my under eye. I'm actually going to use that for eyeliner today. A little bit smudgy on the edge there still. I don't really care. That's when we say, ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
We're watching Ghost Adventures. So, we want to know, what are your views on the paranormal?
Is that to me?
Yes!
That's a good one.
Okay.
So a question from Brooke.
Ooh.
This is like a good one.
Yeah.
We're very passionate about this. Actually, I'm not quite. I've not had paranormal experience. Well, just paranormal and your ghost hunting.
Sure. So, oh geez. Back when I was younger, I had a very, very intense paranormal experience. It's
The ripe age of like 5.
at the ripe age of like 7,
Oh, excuse
maybe
me.
5. I don't even remember anymore. And so, anyways, I'm going to go in with this little pencil brush and highlight the inner corner using this light.
So when
light
she was
color.
5, she went in with this brush and yeah.
Anyway, I had an experience, and I love the show Kindred Spirits. I love Amy Bruni and Adam Berry. Anyway, had an experience, believe in paranormal spirits, whatever. So I went on this ghost hunt adventure in Mackinac Island, Strange Escapes. So anyways, we were there, and we went in this room and did an investigation. We got some EVPs, which is electronic voice phenomenon, and it's where you can record spirit's voice. It's very, very trippy. And you know, supposedly this ghost talked to us, which is fantastic. Anyway, love it. Going on another one in the fall. Anyways, I'm gonna hit this brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm gonna dip into this really, really light color here to highlight because it just intensifies the pigment. Also intensifies old lady wrinkles, so we're gonna blend this out.
Favorite pizza topping?
Ooh, my favorite pizza topping is bacon.
Favorite go-to outfit? Go-to outfit?
Ooh, my favorite go-to outfit.
Are people actually
Oh.
gluten-free, or is it a made-up conspiracy?
Oh, gluten-free. Oh boy. It depends on the person. Some people are gluten-free. Some people are just on the bandwagon. Favorite go-to outfit?
Oh.
Definitely Louis Vuitton shoes, Chanel purse, cute blue jeans, t-shirt, and blazer. Get it every time.
That's all she wears.
Well, or that, or Data's tracksuit. I mean, come on. Data's tracksuit. That's where it's at.
Worst clothes ruining story, like you like this piece of clothing but it got ruined. How did it get ruined?
Ooh, girl, let me tell you. So I have a fun job at the toy factory, but we use this
You don't like
stuff
work in the factory though.
called liquid color to color everything with. It is like a concentrated colorant that goes inside the molding machine with the plastic, and it is crazy, crazy concentrated. So I had this really, really amazing outfit on one day, and I normally wear a lab coat every day out in the plant, and I went out there and I got liquid color on me, and it wrecked my pants. They were like $200 pants.
What?
Favorite jeans ever. 7 for Mankind. Dead to me. And it wasn't even like wrecked to the point where like I could just add more and have it like look stupid artsy. Nope. Wrecked, dead, deceased. I have this crazy wrinkle right here. It's driving me crazy.
Favorite band?
Oh, favorite band of all time is Beastie Boys.
I thought it was Run DMC.
I mean, they're pretty tight, but Beastie Boys is the all-time go-to.
Okay, next one.
Strangest experience at a concert?
Strangest experience at a concert.
My strangest experience at a concert is that I fell asleep at a Kid Rock concert.
What?
What? How did that happen? Were you just zoinked?
Might have been zoinked with some alcohol. So I'm pretty excited because Flower Beauty is an amazing drugstore brand. They are now sold
You're
at
using my
Ulta.
blush?
Yes, I'm using your blush. I'm gonna use this giant powder brush from Eco Tools.
The shade Crane Apple.
Oh, so I guess normally I would put this on first. I'm gonna use these Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. Okay.
Ready for your next question?
Oh yeah. Look at all you guys blowing up the
If you were on
phone.
TV on the news, like when the photobombs the news, what would you do? If you were on TV,
I would moonwalk. I think that would be ridiculous, and I would totally do it.
Next question.
Hold on, I gotta blend this
you
in.
find out Jeremy is cheating on you with Cindy. What do you do to Cindy and Jeremy?
Ooh.
You find out
You find out that Cindy is cheating on you and Jeremy. What do you do to Cindy and Jeremy?
Oh, I don't do anything to actually Cindy and Jeremy. I go and find myself thebomb.com man, and I just run around all over town with him instead. And Cindy and Jeremy can stay together and live their slutty lives.
Is this a true story?
No, but it sounded good.
Okay, next question.
How's your day?
My day is bomb. This is the get lit ready with me.
Get lit ready with me with my daughter.
How could it be any better?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so check out that bomb ass highlight. Oh
Bitch, we be
yeah,
popping.
Emma, Travis, language.
Keep it in.
Okay,
Cut it.
putting a boatload on my nose. Highlight that nose. Dying.
Are you ready for your
I'm
next
deceased
question?
for the stew drops. Yes, I'm ready for the next question. What
Which
am
one
I
of
gonna?
Emma's friends do you like the least? Which one of Emma's
Ooh.
friends do you like the
You
least?
can't say that on camera.
Can I?
No.
Or can't I? No one that has asked me a question. Let's just put it.
It's been the same person.
No. Oh, it has.
Yeah, it's just been Brooke.
Oh shoot. So, anyways,
Well, Brooke, you're in the clear.
I can't apparently say, but don't worry, it's no one that.
What
has
gender?
Snapchatted us. What gender? Ooh, it's gonna be tough. I can't say.
Just say.
No, can't say.
Just say it.
Nope.
Wait, can we cut it? I want to know.
No, I'm not even gonna say it. That's so rude. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill my brows in with some brown powder.
Emma's friends you like the most.
Ooh.
Emma's friends you like the most.
There's a few I really like. The ones that come over to make pasta with us are fun.
That's only been like one time.
I mean,
It's like Frank and
yeah, I
them.
really like them. I need something to fill my brows in. Do you have a brow pencil?
Mhm.
What color is it?
just that one's old.
Dead.
This is-
Number 3. Is it even gonna
No, but
fill
it's
it
fine.
in? Oh, it'll be okay.
Okay.
Little color.
Who else do you like? My drag race buddies.
I'm using a brown eyebrow pencil.
If your mother doesn't respond to you, drop a like.
If your daughter never turns her homework in and is grounded for life, hit the thumbs up button.
Hit that dislike button.
So I use hand flicking motions to color in my eyebrows to simulate some hair. And this is brown and looking hilarious.
Quick way. Ready for your next question? Or are you gonna finish that one?
And no, I'm not going to finish that one. Ooh, I'll be right back. I need to get my own brow pencil. That one is janky as F.
To highlight, I'll be using the John Michel Biscuit collaboration with Urban Decay.
Oh, that's a bold A brow. Gotta fill in that bald spot. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice and bold. Bold and the beautiful.
Are you ready for your next question, man?
Oh yeah, keep them coming.
Favorite color?
Ooh, pink.
Look at how bold.
That's just terrible.
I know, I'm gonna.
No, they're like, okay, look at the camera, look at the camera.
I know, it's so
There's like
funny.
going, whoop. It's like the, you know, like the dash symbols. It's like, whoop.
That's what I love. Brush those brows up. Up.
See, next question.
Next question.
Worst date in high school?
Ooh.
Ooh, juicy.
Yep.
Went on a date with this guy who went to a different high school, and he
Ooh.
took me to this Coney Island that was like a half an hour away from my house, which was great because I didn't really want to run into anybody that I knew.
Oh my
It was
god.
kind of like sympathy date because I didn't even really want to go on a date with him, but
So, that's so
I
mean.
figured I'd give him a chance. I mean, right?
But then you were like leading him on.
What the F brows?
What the F, mom?
So anyway, we went out and I was like, dude, this is going nowhere. Please take me home. And he did. It was great.
Yes.
And
And
you
we're
can
back.
see what I'm doing right now. This is an intense brow bone highlight. Okay. It's almost time for my narcissistic montage.
What?
So I'm going to use next as for lip liner. I'm going to use this. Oh boy, Buxom. It is called Full On Lipstick in Las Vegas. I mean, why not? And then I'm going to go over it with a glossy gloss. I'm going to go in with this all over my lips. Buxom. Buxom is my favorite lip brand. Don't even know why, but I've just been using them since I was an OG. I have this cute little baby mini. It is called something, numbers on the bottom. Full On Lip Cream in Rose Julep.
Alex!
Oh boy. So I look beautiful.
So you look beautiful. Color!
Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some mascara.
What would you do for the Klondike bar?
Ooh, I don't know if that's appropriate what I would do for a Klondike bar.
What the? Oh my god!
Anyway, that's it. Thanks for
Wait, we're not
watching.
done. We need to do the montage.
Oh,
I'm not
narcissistic
even
montage?
ready. Hey, I feel rushed. Can I just tell she loves herself?
Goodbye.
We're not done.
Hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell for alerts. I upload videos like once a year.
Thank you for
Thank you for
watching.
watching. See y'all later.
No, we're not done. We're not done. We're not done.
As for cleaning up, we've been receiving some more questions.
Well, let's get that then. And my dream job would be a Instagram travel influencer because I love to travel. Thank you. Bye bye again.